Representing yourself in court is legal, but that doesn't mean the rules change. The judge won't lower the bar or slow things down. And from the very start, this case shows what happens when confidence replaces preparation.
Hi, I'm Attorney Jaworski. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. So I'm covering for Attorney DeCroce today. So you're scheduled for a sentencing hearing today on the disorderly conduct, and then you were scheduled for a trial on the breach of bail charge, right? Is that what you have as well? Okay. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to go forward with the sentencing hearing. I'm not going to go forward on the breach of bail. You were convicted on the disorderly conduct. I don't see a reason to pile additional charges onto you. So you'll be sentenced on the disorderly conduct, and then we'll be done today. Okay?
So you're dropping the breach of bail?
I am. Yep. Okay. And I spoke with the trooper about it, and he's fine with that. Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. Sound good?
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
All set?
Yep.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's no way. I got the law right here, right? So, I didn't create danger, obviously, which is why this has been dropped, and I didn't commit a felony, okay? I'm being persecuted for exercising my First Amendment right.
Right here, the prosecutor is actually helping him by dropping additional charges. That's not persecution, it's discretion. But instead of taking the win, he turns it into a fight, and courts don't reward that.
Great. How come you're getting angry? Didn't you and I just didn't we just have
Because I'm here today for nothing. That's why I'm getting angry.
You're here for a sentencing hearing.
Yeah, I know. And I got found guilty of disorderly conduct for less than what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
For being loud. Because I have a loud voice. So I got found guilty of disorderly conduct for having a disability because I get excited and hyper-aggressive.
Claiming a disability doesn't excuse disruptive behavior. Disorderly conduct laws focus on impact, not intent. If your behavior disturbs the court or the public, the explanation usually doesn't change the outcome.
And you had your day in court.
Oh, and I was found guilty, yeah. I had my day in court, and what was I found guilty of? Why am I not under arrest for disorderly conduct right now?
Sir.
Why am I not under, hey, listen, don't give me no directives, you're just gonna make it worse. Ridiculous.
Hey, Frank.
Absolutely ridiculous.
Frank, was the breach of bail when they arrested you here? Was that one, or was it a different one?
Judge is on the way.
Yes.
We'll wrap this up and you'll be on your way.
That was the one, thank you. That was the breach of bail for the New Hampshire 9 arrest. For where someone was arrested for saying amen. And I was arrested for, we don't know yet, making a loud noise. Which is all on video, and I didn't make one fucking peep. Not one fucking peep.
Yeah, well, we would know what you had.
You're in a courthouse.
I don't care, it's not illegal to swear. Okay?
If you
I don't need,
disturb
listen,
other
have me
people-
arrested, do something. Do something.
I don't want to.
Do something, because you can't.
I'm trying
Don't
to.
give me directives and tell me what to do or what to say or anything.
Frank, come on.
Is where things get dangerous. He's edging into contempt of court territory. A judge could shut this down instantly, but instead, the court shows restraint, and that patience isn't unlimited.
I'm trying to, but these people, they all want to take their turn. Oh, hey. Oh, well, calm down, let it be cool. No, this is absolute bullshit why I'm here today. And everybody knows it, and that's why you dropped those charges.
I told you why.
So I get it, you're cool, you dropped the charges, I appreciate that. It's nothing personal against you.
Then be
This
cool
is
with me,
business.
like I'm being cool.
I am being as cool as I can be. Okay?
Come on, Frank.
You want to get this done?
Oh, I'm ready. Let's do this thing. I've been here. Let's go.
The priest will enter.
All right, honorable court is now in session.
All right, good morning, everyone. Thank you, please be seated. All right, this is Stake versus Frank Staples, docket number 435, 2021 CR 240. and dockets number 435-2021 CR 1692. Attorney Jaworski does appear on behalf of the Newfields Police Department. She's filling in this morning for Attorney DeCroce. Mr. Staples does appear. He is self-represented. We are scheduled this morning for a sentencing hearing in the 2021 CR 240 on the Class B disorderly, and then additionally the matter is scheduled for trial in the breach of bail charge. Are we ready to proceed?
Judge, we're gonna go forward on the sentencing order. As I told Mr. Staples, the state police are here. I had an opportunity to speak with them. Although we are ready for trial, I think in the interest of fairness and equity, he's been convicted of the underlying disorderly conduct charge, so we're going to use prosecutorial discretion.
How is it underlying when the breach of bail took place afterwards?
Sentencing isn't about one moment. Judges look for patterns, past convictions, repeated behavior, and compliance with the law. When the record speaks, arguments matter a lot less.
Not crossing the breach of bail charge, and we're just gonna go forward on the sentencing hearing with disorderly
Okay,
conduct.
all right, very good. Then I will give you that one. Oh, wrong one. I gave you that one. This is the breach.
That's different.
All right, thank you. All right, so with that then, if we're ready, we'll proceed with the sentencing and the state's recommendations. Mr. Staples, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hear from the state first, what they're recommending relative to the disorderly conduct, which was a Class B misdemeanor in that matter. And then after I hear from them, I'm certainly going to hear from you as to any recommendations or any position you take as to penalties, okay? So with that, thank you, Attorney Jaworski.
Judge, the state's gonna ask for a $1,000 fine, 500 of that to be suspended for 2 years of good behavior. Your Honor heard the facts and circumstances of this case. This is an individual who has racked up similar charges to this recently.
That get dropped and dropped and dropped.
Okay, all right.
He has
Don't
a
interrupt.
prior conviction for bail jumping in 2013, February 11th of 2013. It looks like he had 1 to 7 years for a sentence with counseling, mental health treatment. He had a possession of prescription drugs also in 2013 where he was convicted. He had multiple counts. He received a 12 months time served sentence in that particular matter. He had a possession of a controlled drug with intent to sell conviction in, looks like 2004 out of Hillsborough.
When is my sentence over? When is the crime done?
Yes, Mr. Staples, please, I'm gonna hear from you also,
Yeah.
but she gets to recount what she
Fine.
wants,
She
so,
can do whatever she wants.
thank you.
Another possession of controlled drug with a 9-month sentence. Shoplifting conviction in 97.
I was 17! A
Mr.
juvenile!
Mr. Staples,
So she's bringing up my juvenile record then?
In the end, the court follows procedure. A fine, part of it suspended, and the right to appeal preserved. The lesson is simple. Discipline beats ego every time.
I mean, come on! What's really going on here?
Staples, do I need to take a break? Let's just get through,
Let's get through it then!
telling me what she wants to recommend and about your.
And why? Because of all these past crimes all the way back to when I was 17?
All
The
right,
fuck out of
stop.
here.
And please with the language. Attorney Jaworski.
Judge, he has a robbery conviction in 97 out of Hillsborough South with a 12-month suspended sentence. That's the first half of his criminal record. He does have an additional 6 pages, but I won't go through every detail with the court. That's the reason why I am asking for a little bit of an enhanced fine, although I am asking that half of it be suspended for 2 years good behavior. Also, part of that good behavior is that
Not
as
paying shit. Believe that.
Yeah.
Mr. Staples.
Sure we have the address, they will not be allowed to, respond to that same address with a disorderly conduct.
Okay, Mr. Staples, you've heard the recommendation of $1,000 fine with 500 of it suspended. Do you wish to be heard on what you're asking the court to impose within the limits of the maximum amount?
Yeah.
$1,200 fine.
$0 because I didn't do anything to cause any sort of pecuniary loss or any damage or anything like that. And I also am asking you to reconsider your finding of guilty because I will be appealing this. I'll put you on notice, and I do want to know exactly what did I do to commit disorderly conduct because it was nothing even like what I've been here today in this courtroom. Okay? I didn't do anything that was disorderly. I asked why I was being threatened to be arrested. The man never asked me to leave the area. You've seen the video. He lied in his testimony. So I want to know why I was found guilty to begin with. What? You need to articulate yourself.
Wish to be heard on the sentence. We've had your opportunity.
$0. No penalty whatsoever.
Okay, thank you. And I've heard your testimony and listened for several hours at the trial, and I've issued that, and certainly you do have the right to appeal, and I will expect you to do that. So with that, I will adopt the state's recommendation and will impose a fine of $1,000. $500 of that will be suspended for a period of 2 years for your good behavior.
Put me in jail now then, $50 a day. Let's go. $50 a day in jail because I ain't paying shit.
It's 150 now.
So,
$150, whatever. We do $10 a day. Let's do it.
don't sell yourself short. Are you able to pay the $500 fine? I'm sorry, yeah, $500.
I ain't paying no $500 fine.
All
You
right.
gotta be kidding me.
So you know there is an additional time payment fee of $25 that gets added.
Don't care. I ain't paying none of it.
Okay.
Ever.
And so if I put you down, it'll be paid in full within 30 days, in addition to.
Say whatever you want to say.
That's what-
Okay? Ain't gonna happen.
We'll be in recess. Thank you. Good
Yeah.
luck to you, Mr. Staples.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bunch of bullshit.
I had a bad day.
Huh?
Wish him a bad day.
Bad, yeah.
Amazing. You told her you weren't going to pay, and she's like, well, put you on a time payment.
We'll put you on side. Put me in jail now!
I don't want to put you in jail.
Let's go.
Put me in jail now! 5 years in solitary confinement, get fucking fined, $500 fucking fine, get the fuck out of
I
here.
love how they brought
Unbelievable, we bring up all that fucking record too. I changed my life, I have a fucking business where I help people reintegrate from prison and from rehab and from homelessness. When are my past crimes done with? When do I live it down? Ever?
You already know the answer to that, Frank.
Never,
Never.
right?
Let's go. Come on.
We feel it's right around. Bunch of bullshit. Hope you feel real good about yourself.
I don't think I've ever heard anybody paying fines, any activists. It's funny, they think they get us and they don't.
Let's do it. I love this game. We could play this all goddamn day.
They just want to bring him back in for another hearing.
Yeah.
That's what they want.
Yeah.
Waste his time.